Hi, in this short video, I'll introduce you to the best email marketing service. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best one that was perfect for me. I make over $35,000 a month with this service, and I've been using it for 7 years. This platform offers a number of advanced features such as automation, lead scoring, and so on. Here are 5 very useful tip hacks that not many people know about, but that makes it really the best in the email marketing services. Let's get started.
In today's fast-paced digital marketing landscape, having the right tools at your disposal is critical for success. Fresh Relevance is an innovative platform that empowers businesses to create personalized, impactful marketing campaigns that not only attract customers, but also foster long-term relationships. Let's dive deeper into what makes Fresh Relevance unique, its robust features, and why it should be a cornerstone of your e-commerce strategy. Fresh Relevance is a comprehensive marketing automation solution designed to help businesses optimize their customer interactions. By leveraging real-time data and advanced analytics, Fresh Relevance enables brands to tailor their marketing efforts based on user behavior, preferences, and trends. This level of personalization ensures that every customer feels valued and understood, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Fresh Relevance allows you to create personalized content that adapts to your audience's interests and behavior. Whether it's tailored product recommendations on your website or personalized email content, this feature ensures that your marketing resonates with each individual customer. The platform's email marketing tools enable you to design and send targeted campaigns that drive engagement. With customizable templates and automation capabilities, you can send timely messages that align with your customers' shopping behaviors. Segmentation features allow you to create highly relevant campaigns that speak directly to different audience segments, leading to increased open rates and conversions. One of the standout features of Fresh Relevance is its ability to retarget visitors who have previously interacted with your site. By displaying personalized ads across various channels, you can re-engage potential customers who have left without making a purchase, significantly increasing your chances of converting them into buyers. Fresh Relevance provides comprehensive analytics tools that track key metrics such as conversion rates, customer engagement, and campaign ROI. This data-driven approach allows you to identify successful strategies and areas needing enhancement, enabling you to make informed decisions for future campaigns. Mapping the customer journey is crucial for understanding how to engage your audience effectively. Fresh Relevance helps you visualize and optimize the various touchpoints your customers encounter, from initial awareness to final purchase. By identifying pain points in the journey, you can implement targeted strategies to improve customer satisfaction and drive sales. Fresh Relevance integrates effortlessly with a variety of e-commerce platforms, CRM systems, and other marketing tools. This flexibility allows businesses to leverage their existing technology stacks without disruption. Integrating Fresh Relevance with your current systems ensures a cohesive marketing strategy that enhances efficiency and effectiveness. With Fresh Relevance, you can engage customers in real time based on their actions. For instance, if a customer adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, Fresh Relevance can trigger a follow-up email or an incentive to encourage them to finalize their transaction. Fresh Relevance allows you to showcase social proof on your website and in your emails, reinforcing the trustworthiness of your brand and encouraging new customers to convert. In an era where consumer expectations are higher than ever, Fresh Relevance helps businesses stand out by delivering a personalized experience tailored to each customer. Fresh Relevance has been designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface allows marketers of all skill levels to navigate the platform easily and leverage its powerful tools. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it simple to create dynamic content, launch campaigns, and analyze performance, allowing you to focus more on strategy and less on technical details. Many businesses have transformed their marketing efforts using Fresh Relevance. Fresh Relevance is more than just a marketing automation tool. It's your partner in achieving e-commerce success. With its powerful personalization features, robust analytics, and seamless integration, you can elevate your marketing campaigns and deliver an unforgettable experience for your customers. If you're looking to take your business to new heights, Fresh Relevance is the solution you need. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about digital marketing strategies, subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and tricks to boost your business. Join our community and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Together, we can unlock the full potential of your marketing efforts and drive your business towards greater success.